Okay, this level is Island Escape. Oh, game. I just farted if you heard it. Oh, last time, I have a 6-minute, 4-second limit because I'm not deleting some other stuff off my memory stick because it's staying and that's all I have left. So I upload them and then delete part of it. And I've never done this level before, so I have no clue what to do. Okay, so I'm going... Receiving the thing. Well, camera fell. Camera fell.
Raptor's defense system activated.
Defense system? What's up with that?
Turn bolt crank to retrieve a power cell.
Okay, the power cells. Oh, it's green.
Deliver power cell to the jet. Monitor radiation poisoning with the radiation
Whoa,
meter.
I'm poisoning. Fully dying. Help me, guys. Guys, help me. Okay.
Red team has taken the lead.
I did it.
I suppose I do it again, but I'm still green. Green. Okay, I'm not really green. Okay, there's definitely a light coming from here. Definitely. You see it? The light. It's gone. Oh, it's doing. You see the light. Okay, don't try to slow water. Oh, it's coming up again. Wow, it's like right next to you. How can you not miss it? Oh, it's so farther away. There. Oh, I can now run. Yes, it's boring. Don't do this at all. Do deathmatch. Okay, my timer's running out. 3 minutes. 3 of them. Okay, go.
Okay, I'm about to put in the last power cell, and there's a mutant that happened when I died. Whatever. Here's the last one.
It required 3 escape ships, okay? You turn this, rocket ship comes out.
And I escaped planet, which was really bad. I really want to leave. 3 suicides, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, this level is really bad. Next one, boring load scene. Okay, right now I'm about to do Moon Cow with Sideways PSP, cause my charger is in. But online it's a green light. Yeah, green light. Never did this level either.
Don't care. Don't care. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, and we're at the cow.
Follow the objective beam to the
I'm
correct
following
task.
objective beams. First task.
To use the
Can you
jump,
take it?
use the suck cannon to collect cows.
I'm sucking things, yeah. Not the usual, of
Cows into the
course.
matter rearranger.
Sucking cows. Never been done before. Sucking cow. Oh yeah. Oh wait, I think I have done this before. Oh crap, I can't suck. Let me shoot. I'm sorry about that. Okay.
Use the polarizer to move. Deliver crate to the objective, indicated by the light cone.
moving stuff. Oh yeah, you just stack them. Have done this one. And you put it on here. There.
Team has taken the lead.
You fill up trucks. You fill up trucks. Pretty boring. Fill up trucks. Wow, this goes bad. Whoa! And we're going on. Yeah, the videos are pretty boring. Why are you watching this? Yeah, I'm really not putting much effort stuff into the online, this one, because it's bad. Can't be made better. Ever. This is so annoying. Yeah, maybe when I get back to glitches.
Be a little better. A little better, you know. But I'll get back to you when I finish up dumping stuff. Ow. Okay, I'm about to put the third and last crate on the second truck. See what happens. You just win.